Put the light on.
It's working.
Blinding me in my eye over here. Okay, what are we doing?
We're taking down a cylinder.
We're fixing a fuck up.
Fixing
Or screw up, excuse me. I'm supposed to do that. For some reason we have some extra molten aluminum where it don't belong. Nobody knows how that happened either. The other problem is this doesn't work, so I need more room. So that means I've got to take this and turn it this way. I don't need to go that far though. This is called lathe setup. Isn't this exciting? Let me tighten that too. Somebody said they didn't like my tool post on YouTube. Okay, this keeps track of how much we cut. Okay, we're at 0. Cut. Oh, we're cutting all that aluminum right there.
That's what we're cutting.
Now, most of the aluminum just came off. A lot smoother now.
Did anything even come off?
Yeah, that came off.
Yeah.
Can't see that? You gotta zoom in. It's still a little bit there, but we cut most of it off. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut this in. We're gonna leave a lip right here for about 1/8 of an inch. We're gonna leave it 3 thou higher than the rest of the surface. That way there'll be more pressure right on the inside edge. So that's a new way they make the cylinders now, but these are old cylinders, they didn't do it that way. And then I'll cut more on this side as they come out. So first we got to clean it up, which we haven't done yet. There's 3 thou down. Come out about 1/8 of an inch there or so. We'll go in 3 thou, 2.5 thou. That cleaned it.
That cleaned it sweet.
You can see how it didn't quite clean right there. That's dark. Let me have the camera there. Oh, that looks like a real good picture. What are you filming?
Put it on close up to see that little piece you were showing me.
Oh, that little piece right there?
Right.
Oh. There. When that light goes away, you can see a lot better. So you can see this, the low spot right there. Get there to that damn light. There we go. Now we can see it. So that's where it didn't quite clean, but you can see I went in an extra 2.5 thou. So that will seal the gasket. It'll put a lot of pressure on it right there in that spot where it was cut. So be back in the dark spot, you can see it. So Yeah, that's how you do them, so now they'll seal up a lot better. Then we got to check the height of this to make sure we're not too high, so I'll take 3 thou off that just for the hell of it. So you can watch that from over there. If I stand in front of the camera.
Yeah.
And I got my dial indicator set so I know how high it is. Usually it's around 200 thou high. Right there, 200. So I'm at 2 of mine, that's where I was at before. So I'll go ahead and cut it to here. So that's shaved off the top of our lip. Let's make sure that's flat, doesn't hit the gasket. Alright, so that one's good. Now we're going to go ahead and grab the good cylinder, and I'm going to put the same lip in there because I want to make the gasket seal better so it doesn't blow again. Same. Same number, same head. Where's our 0 at? No, not very flat. Uneven, but
Are you going to make it that flat?
Well, I'll flatten it out right now. First thing I want to do is make sure my jaws don't have a piece of crap under them. They look good. Just to make sure, we can always spin it again a little bit. Make sure there's nothing near there. Back and check it again. Same spot. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and cut 3 right now.
Woo!
How we did it before. Back off 3 and it probably won't hit it. Barely. Zero on my indicator, and I'm going to cut 3 or 2.5 anyway. Alright, so now we got the same high spot in there we want. So that'll give a good compression on our head gasket. Probably could cut a little bit thinner though.
Take on more.
Yeah, a little bit further, a little bit thick right there. But. So we haven't moved our cutters so we know where we're at, so it doesn't really matter. button.
Yep.
Drop down that. There we go. We thin it out just a little bit. Get me past this oil hole. So that should be good. Here we give you a quick flash on to break the glaze. And you got a little aluminum in one cylinder, which is what it was. So these are pretty fine. Oil in here. Get that one.
There you go.
See, it barely even cuts anything, but it's such a fine stone. Not so much wear you got. 400 or 500 miles. That's squat.
Nothing, huh?
So it knocks the glaze off, so the rings will reseat. Now this one here, we got a little bit of aluminum up in here, so I'm going to get rid of that. Got a stone glaze up. That's some carbon and crap. Yeah, make them cut a little bit better. Some cutting going on. Not trying to remove any metal, we just want to get the high spots off. The aluminum is gone now. So now the rings will have something to reseat against. Get this one again. See how much straighter this one here was. This one here got a lot more heat in it. See how it's all warped through here, that's all low spot. Heat and detonation. Hard on your motor. Best if you don't do that. So anyway, they're cleaned up to go. Get a little extra aluminum spray over here. Make it look better. Alright, we'll clean them up.